got to tick a box here. So my number is a multiple of 4. Which one is true? And the answer is that it must be even. So, but then we need to give a line of reasoning. You can't just tick that and move on. So the first line of reasoning is that you basically say that 4 is itself an even number, and so therefore all multiples of it must be as well. There's all this sort of stuff you can say. Actually, if you just literally say that 4 is an even number, that is enough. But just try and make sure you understand how you might expand on that explanation. Another line of reasoning is that you could link them between the multiples of 4 and even numbers. If you do 2 times 2 something, then that must be even. And to get the 4 times table, you must double the 2 times table. It's sort of saying the same thing, but it's just another kind of way of doing it. And then I'm thinking of a different number. My number's a factor of 20. Is it even, odd, or it could be odd or even? The answer here is that it could be odd or even. And the best thing to do really is write down your factors of 20. But you've got to remember what these are. So they're the numbers that go into 20 exactly. And I always write them down in pairs. So actually, 1 is a factor of every whole number and the number itself. But 2 in this case is because it's 2 times 10. So we get 10. 3 isn't, but we get 4 and 5. And so then we can just say something along the lines of the fact that some of these are odd and some of these are even. Here's the mark scheme answer. Yeah, that's precisely what I just said. So you don't actually have to write them all down. You just need to give. You can't just say some are odd, some are even. You have to show that you found some of them, and that, like, you could stop here, and that would be enough. But you do need these a pair of examples that are odd and even.